In this lesson, we will understand what is a card in Power BI. We will see how to create a card also. So let us see. So you can consider cards as indicators giving the values like I have shown it here. This I have created on Power BI only. And you can see the representation here. It displays a single value, like you can see the sum of quantity here, another one with sum of sales, and another one with sum of profit. As you can see, it is a quick snapshot of your important data points, okay, from your data itself. These cards can be updated, change the font color, the background color also, the text color. Also, you can allow users to click on them and get more information about a particular card. Format it completely according to your the design of your report. Now let us see how to create a card in Power BI. So here is a Power BI under Amit_Power BI project. We created a Gantt chart. Then we created a column chart. Now click plus to add a new page. Okay, after selecting, now type the name cards. Now we have our cards page under our Power BI, and this is our data. These are the categories I told you before. Okay, now let us create a card. Now just select sum of profit here. Check it. And it created a custom column chart on its own. Place it here. Now we will convert this to a card. Select this. Go to visualizations. Now click here. Here is the card, and it will convert to a card here. Okay. You can drag it anywhere you want. Let's say I'll drag it here only. This looks fine. In this way we can easily add multiple cards. Okay, now let's say I'll again click on sum of sales. I'll just select and I'll place it here. After that I'll just click card and it will convert. Now I'll just drag and place it here. Now the last one, let's say I'll also create another card, sum of quantity. Here it is. Now place it here and again create a card. Click on the card and that's it. Now we have sum of quantity, sum of sales, and sum of profit. Okay, so in this way guys, we can easily create cards in Power BI. In the next lesson we will see how to format these cards and how to even update it based on columns. Thank you for watching the video.